In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Adobe Acrobat. First, let's start by locating the top menu of Adobe Acrobat. This menu runs along the top of your screen. It contains various options that allow you to manipulate and edit your PDF documents. When you look at this area, you will see categories like File, Edit, View, and more. Each of these categories provides specific functionalities that enhance your editing experience. Finding the top menu is crucial because it is your gateway to accessing different tools available within Adobe Acrobat. Once you see the top menu, you are on the right track to making your editing process smoother. Now that you have identified the top menu, the next step is to click on the Edit option. This is usually located towards the left side of the menu. When you click on Edit, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains several editing options, including Cut, Copy, and of course, Undo. The Edit option is significant because it centralizes all your editing capabilities in one place. By clicking on Edit, you are preparing to access the tools necessary for correcting mistakes or reversing previous actions. This step ensures that you can easily navigate the editing features in Adobe Acrobat. After selecting Edit, the next action is to click on the Undo option in the drop-down menu. This action is essential because it allows you to reverse the last change you made to your document. When you click Undo, you will see a visual confirmation that your last action has been undone. This could be anything from deleting text to moving an image. Understanding how to use the Undo function is important, as it saves you time and effort by allowing corrections without having to restart your edits from scratch. Once that is done, you can continue editing your document as needed. If you make additional mistakes, simply repeat the process of clicking Edit and then Undo. Each time you do this, you will be able to step back through your recent actions. This flexibility is particularly beneficial when working on complex documents, as it gives you the reassurance that you can always revert to a previous version. Knowing how to efficiently use the Undo feature can significantly enhance your workflow in Adobe Acrobat. Now let's wrap up by summarizing what we've learned. We started by locating the top menu, then accessed the Edit option, and finally clicked on Undo. Each of these steps is straightforward yet powerful in helping you manage your edits effectively. Remember, the Undo function is a critical tool that can save you from frustration while working on your PDF documents. By mastering this simple process, you will find that your editing experience becomes much more enjoyable and stress-free. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate Adobe Acrobat with ease. Happy editing!